different types of quadrilaterals, their names and their properties. Quadrilateral, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square and kite. See, in this quadrilateral have four sides, four vertices and four angles. This is a quadrilateral. If in this quadrilateral one pair of opposite sides are parallel, these are opposite sides, parallel, then this type of quadrilateral called trapezium. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Then they call trapezium. In this trapezium, this side will be parallel to this side. Just name it A, B, C and D. In this trapezium, we can see that AB is parallel to DC. We use two arrows in the same direction, same direction, to show to each other sides are parallel, like this, same direction. So AB parallel DC, AB parallel DC. See, another type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. In this quadrilateral, both pairs of opposite sides, this pair and this pair, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Then this type of quadrilateral called parallelogram. This side will be parallel this side. We used to arrow like this, parallel, this sides, name it A, B, C and D. AB parallel DC. We used to arrow like this. And BC parallel AD. So, another pair of parallel lines, we use double arrow. and AB equal to DC like this, and BC equal to AD. So in a parallelogram, both two pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Then they call parallelogram. Two pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Then they call parallelogram. In this parallelogram, let's see a special case of a parallelogram is rhombus. Rhombus. In parallelogram, if all sides are equal, they call rhombus. It will becomes rhombus. Just name it. In this rhombus, all sides are equal. 4 sides are equal. And opposite sides, this side will be parallel to this side, like this arrow. We use to arrow. Then AB parallel to DC, like this. Use arrows. Then opposite angles are equal. This opposite pair of opposite angles are equal, and diagonals bisects at common point O, and this is perpendicular bisects, and this bisects means this value will be equal to this value. It means AB equal to two parts, and also BD O divides equal to two parts. This is rhombus. In rhombus, all sides equal means if in a parallelogram, adjacent BC, DC are adjacent sides are equal, then parallelogram will becomes rhombus. Then adjacent sides are equal, Then this is rhombus. And another special case of parallelogram. It means each vertex angle is 90 degrees. If each vertex angle will be 90. Each vertex angle is 90 degrees. Then this type of parallelogram called rectangle. Like this. This is rectangle. In this rectangle, all vertex angles will be equal to 90 degrees. Name it A, B, C and D. Same basic properties of have parallelogram. Opposite, this side will be equal and parallel this side. Parallel means we use arrow this like this. AB parallel DC and AB equal to DC. Next, this side BC parallel AD and BC equal DC. Like this. And diagonals are equal. Intersect, bisect point. Another type of quadrilateral is square. A special case of a rectangle. It means in rectangle adjacent sides are equal. Then this rectangle will becomes square. Adjacent sides are equal. And one more special case of rhombus. Each vertex angle in rhombus, each vertex angle will be 90 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees. Then rhombus will become square. Okay. Then here adjacent sides. In this square, all sides are equal like this. And just name it. This side parallel to this side like this. This side parallel to this side. This side parallel to this side. And all angles are 90. And diagonals are equal. Can you understand, children? Write down, children.